The BlackBerry keyboard on your BlackBerry Z10 smartphone provides fast, accurate, and effortless typing. The BlackBerry keyboard will appear automatically when you're in a text field. This is your keyboard. Just start typing and see how smart it really is. The more you use the keyboard, the more it tailors itself to you. It will learn where your fingers tap and adapt to make typing easier. It also has you covered when you're trying to spell those tricky words. Just tap the spacebar to confirm it's the correct word. Notice the small words appearing above the letters. These are personalized next word suggestions that are tailored to what you say frequently. To use one of these words, simply flick it into place. It makes completing your thought quicker. To type symbols or numbers, tap the symbols icon. Or simply swipe down on the keyboard and tap the desired key. Or to use a capital letter, just tap the uppercase icon. Deleting a word is also easy. Just swipe one finger back across the keyboard. And with automated assistance, you can save valuable time by using shortcuts, like double tapping space to end a sentence. You can set more shortcuts in the settings menu. If you're done with the keyboard, touch and hold the space bar to make it go away. To select text, touch and hold within the text box. Then drag the sliders to the desired position. Once you have the text selected, simply touch and hold the highlighted area to reveal the menu. Here you can cut, copy, or select all. To paste text, touch and hold the desired location and tap Paste. The BlackBerry keyboard already does so much for you. Why not let it do it all? Touch and hold the microphone key. Now, say what's on your mind and watch the magic happen.
These are also typically the goals and performance indicators of sales management.
The BlackBerry keyboard learns how you write and adapts to you to get your message across faster and more accurately.